Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. It's currently 4:26 p.m. April 30th, 2020, and we're currently looking at a Apple chart, 2-minute chart, after hours. This is a big moment of time. 4:30 news is supposed to come out about their earnings, and as you can see, they definitely moved up at the end of the day. You can't really go against Apple when it comes to earnings. It's just something that has never worked out well for people that were short in an Apple stock. Now, this time around, it could work out. If you remember from my previous videos and things I mentioned on the website, I sold my shares at 288. I saw a high of like 330. But I felt comfortable with my 288 sale. Now this can go to 320 tonight. I don't think it will. But you saw what Tesla did yesterday. It moved up 100 points and then dropped all the way down further past that. So you never know what might happen. It's not worth being in the trade if you're not comfortable holding and being down significant amount of money potentially right when the trade kicks off. So let's just, while this is kicking in, I'm going to look at what we did today. Markets are down today. I'm going to just go over a few trades I took. I was green, so that's good. Still not getting out with good positioning. I'm getting out too early. I let a couple trades go in the direction I was obviously seeking and just gave up on them too soon, or just got out because I got a little bit nervous. I'm comfortable with losing at this point. I don't want to lose a lot. So when I see it not working right away, I've been getting very defensive, and that doesn't always work out to the best. So, I took a lot of trades, but I'm only going to talk about a few, and AVEO was one of them. Break at this level here, 720 over here. It went up to 779. I only got 38.25 from it. I got out at 712. And look, it went to 779. So it's just a waste. Just not letting it run, not letting it work. It was such a pain in the butt. Caper, CAPR. Sorry about these are 2 5-minute candles. I took a break here of the 750 level. And it went all the way up almost to 8. And I was looking for this to break. I was pretty happy with this trade. It's a $3 trade. Got out here, and then I held 100 shares pretty much at break even. And look what happened. It came all the way back down. I was looking for it to run through the 8 level up here. But it just didn't work out that way. And that's okay. At least I held it, and I was confident to hold it. And if I got 0 on that 100 shares, so be it. No big deal. Okay, so Apple earnings are coming out. Looks like they're getting some spiky action. Look at freaking Thinkorswim. It's just garbage. So it's already up to 299. We'll see how it holds here. Is it going to break above 299 and turn around? Obviously, they reported something good. 255, 226. So they did better than expected. Okay. Question is, what are they expecting going forward? Yeah, this is the 49. 301.23 was the high. You can't mess with Apple. You just can't mess with Apple. It's just everyone's in it. At some point, I would say 90% of people are in Apple, in some kind of fund, retirement, pension, whatever. And I'm still in it, so I'm okay with it going. I'm just not in it like I was in my account. On my other accounts, I have Apple, so I'm getting the benefits of this move. Now this can just kind of flop and go negative, so let's keep an eye on it. I'll finish up what I was looking at, and then we'll come back to this and see what happens. So on the Caper trade, was the break here. What others? So NCLH was an early morning trade, red here, and as it was breaking up, I got in here, and it wasn't moving too quick, and kind of pulled back here, and I got out here. But look at this. That's 50, 60 cents. I let it go again. Just over and over again. So the good trades I did today, I just didn't let them work. SM, another decent trade today. Break of this red candle here on this candle here, and you can see it went up to 425. I think I sold around 4. I didn't get this run. I tried holding some, and it did come back and stop me out. So I'm trying to hold it, and it just didn't play out. Tilray I noticed something on Tilray, and I kind of bagged on it. Where was the move? I think it was early. It was this candle here. I forgot exactly where it was, but it was a good move. But I only took $7.65 on it. And that's pretty much it for the trades I took that were decent. I ended up being on the green side, maybe $115 or so. So Apple's busting up here to 300. Let's see what it's doing. It's 301.48. So this thing's going to move. This thing's going to go up, make new highs. And I think people are pretty satisfied with their earnings, and they're comfortable putting their money into the Apple stock. Getting over 300 is big for the economy. We'll see what it does. It's fighting, though. There's a lot of sellers there. But we can't control that. We're out of the stock in this case, and I should have my new trade station up next week. At least part of it. I have it partly funded, and I'll post you on all that when we get that going. I do have it all set up kind of how I want it. I'm probably going to change it a bit, and you'll see the new platform. And hopefully I won't have platform issues like I've had with the Thinkorswim. I had major internet issues yesterday. Had nothing to do with Thinkorswim. I actually had Spectrum come out, and the good news is he got me fixed, and he helped me figure out how to get faster speeds. So that's good. And I'll get all into that in the future. No big deal right now. So this is Rich with some price action. Hope you guys have a great Thursday, and we'll be back tomorrow for some more trading. Have a good one.